You'll need a cordless drill, a 12mm steel tap with a 1.5mm thread pitch. You'll want one of the plastic ShoreMaster Poly Dock air valves, and that comes with a little O-ring right at the very end of the thread. And you'll want a 10.5mm drill bit. As you can see, I purchased mine from Fastenal, and I've listed the SKU number. Okay, now we're going to put the new valve in, and the first thing I'm going to do is take the top side of the valve and put it right here. Make sure I have a nice flat surface, and so then when I put it in, the O-ring will seed into the dock. And so I'll test that. I intentionally chose one of the vertical valleys, the concave portion of the dock, because I figured that since this is a public dock at a nature reserve area, it would be less likely to get kicked or bumped by someone if it was inside this vertical valley. I also chose to put my valves in between two docks where they're connected, and that way they're just completely out of the way, and yet there's plenty of room for them to breathe. And if you do this, just make sure you do not have it in one of the vertical valleys where there is a pulley rod connector, so that's not bumping into that as well. So that's why I chose this section, and there's plenty of flat surface for you to accomplish this. Once I get my mark, make sure you go straight in with your drill. And then take your tap tool, make sure again it's nice and straight. And once you're all the way through, twist it back out. Just get rid of the extra plastic. Make sure the O-ring sits. And all you need to do is screw it in by hand. Once you see that the O-ring is squeezed in there and set, you're good to go. That's all you need.